When I have some extra time, I like to sit down by the tracks and watch the trains go by. Spray painted art in all its beauty, the Philistines called it graffiti, but it's a rolling art gallery to me. I don't know the artists or their names. I'm amazed at how they can make those things. Nothing more than a spray can of paint. I'd like to see somebody do it one of these days, but it's illegal in all 50 states. But if you ask me, you'll catch more crooks in an art gallery. The whole thing's a money laundering scheme. So I say let them trains roll. Proudly let your art show. Don't hold back, let it shine. Real art is hard to find. You make yours and I'll make mine. What doesn't make sense to me, how they can outlaw such beauty. I'll take my art in the outdoors. The only art is a con in the gallery stores. They're all hypocrites and nothing more. Because if you ask me, you'll find more crooks in an art gallery. The whole thing's a money laundering scheme. Hey there, Mr. Engineer, I'm glad you're passing through here. You have a lot of art that I want to see on that train car art gallery.